Good morning, students. Let's continue with our chapter number 5, that is decimal fraction. Last lecture we have seen how to write place value of decimal numbers, right? First question you have already solved. Now in this lecture we are going to see addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So I am taking practice set 14, question number 2. See, I am taking first question and third question from second addition, and second and third from subtraction. Okay, rest along with solve question you have to solve yourself. So second solve. Okay, see, first question I am writing 905, that is 905.5 plus 27 decimal number or 0.197. Now see here, when there is no number you write 0 here. Okay, always remember, whenever you are writing your decimal fraction, you are always write your decimal number like this. Okay, whether one number is there, you write it on first place only. Now see, as per your simple addition, you solve this sum like 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 9, 9, 5 plus 1, 6. Put decimal point in front, below decimal number, decimal point. 5 plus 7, 12, carry over 1, 2 plus 1, 3 and 9. So your answer is 932.697. Let's take the third one. Third one is 40. There is no decimal number there. Then plus 27.7. See, when there is no decimal number, then you put point and 0 there. Plus 2.451. Now here also, in after 7 you put 0, 0, and here 3 zeros are there, because see, in third question there is 3 digit after decimal point. Okay, now 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 7 plus 4, that is 11. When 11 is there, you write 1. Take your carryover on this. Put decimal point. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry over 1. 4 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So your answer is 80.151. Understood? Similarly, your subtraction part. Question number 3. Subtract. I am taking second and third of them. 632.24 minus 97.5 Now see, from 4, 5 cannot be subtract. So take 14 and here 1. 14 minus 5, 9. Here also same. Make it 11. Make it 1. 11 minus 4, 7. Here also same case. Make 1 as 11 and 11 minus 4, 7 is 4. 2. Make it 12. 12 minus 9 is 3 and 5. So your answer is 534.79. Now take the third question. Third one, 200.005 minus 17.186. Now see, here also you have to make it 15. When it is 15, it is 9. 15 minus 6, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 1, 8. Decimal point. 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9. 9 minus 1, 8. It is 1. And your answer is 182.819. Understand? So this 2 question is your homework, right? Now we are stopping here for today. Next problem number 4, 5, 6, 7, that is word problem, we are taking in the next lecture. Till then, if you have any problem, please ask me in my personal number. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.